there are times in our life, there are chapters in our life that, okay, we need to break our own rules. Good morning sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. Saan ba ako ngayon? Business Raster Circle? IMG? But anyway, so, positive days sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And sa mga first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sungan. And sa lahat ng gustong magpa-quote sa atin, online muna tayo. And if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sungan. Alright, so, why did I stop investing? So as you know, before magkaroon tayo ng ganitong situation, I started my investment journey last 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So nagpunta tayo sa UITF, nagpunta tayo sa Co-op, nagpunta tayo sa mga insurance companies, and nagpunta tayo sa mga mga companies that need investments and other businesses, right? So yan yung mga naging journey natin. Okay, and with my computation, on average, I'm investing at least mga 30 to 40% of my net income. So, yan siya napupunta. Alright? Pero ngayon, I stop. Okay? So, i-stop muna natin. I stop my co-op. So, hindi muna tayo, I'm still a member of co-op, but I stop putting my money there monthly. And I also stop muna sa stock market. So doon nag-try ako hindi ko muna siya tinuloy-tuloy. I tried one under my sa IMG, so sa Soldivo Fan. So but it's good to have that Pero ako mamaya explain natin. Then I also stopped my UITF and other investment. So I only retained yung mga may monthly like IMG and isang business ay isang insurance, okay? And also, dati meron tayong, ang tawag dito, market funds. So, ngayon, ni-stop muna natin, 2 months, yung market funds natin. So, what's the reason, Doc? Bakit ka nag-stop ng mga investment? Okay? Alam niyo, sometimes sa buhay natin, habang nagkakape tayo, mag-usap tayo, there are times in our life, there are chapters in our life that, okay, we need to break our own rules. Kasi ang rule ko, nakuha ko yan actually kay Grant Cardone, the rule of 40%. Yung 40%, trying to do something about it to grow your money. So, ang napili ko doon is to reinvest my income. Okay, mag-invest. So, now I'm breaking my own rule. Ganun sa buhay. Yung mga batas natin last year, last month, last week, minsan kailangan binibreak din natin yan tayo mismo. Okay? For many reasons. Ang tawag natin doon ay substantial reason. Okay. So for example, in my case, instead of investing, kasi ngayon, I started businesses. Alright? So, sa akin kasi, even before, many questions or many people were asking me before, Dok, ano ba maganda mag-invest, mag-business? Ako, I really still go for business talaga. Kung papipili mo ako dyan, wala nang marami pang analysis and all sa sa business. Okay? So now parang nagkaroon ako I came to nasa crossroad yan. So I have to choose tutuloy-tuloy ko ba yung 40% income investment ko, 40% of my money, or to finance my new businesses. Okay? So of course, I choose business. Okay? Why? Doc, ano ba nangyari? So last March po, the sources of income that I'm expecting na magkakaroon tayo as a speaker, as a business consultant, and meron tayong projects na kapartner natin, may isa nakapartner natin government agency. So, hindi sila natuloy. So, nakat yung source of income na yon. So, I need to replace. Okay? I need to replace yung nakat na source of income that I'm expecting. Alright? So, what I did, of course, nag-create tayo ng other source na mas makatulong ngayon or mas mabibili sa marketplace. Right? So, that's why I launched Rockstar Skills University, right? So, ito yung we're teaching skills like how to write your ebook, how to learn bookkeeping as for freelancers, and how to become a coach, a vlogger, and other skills na meron naman tayong lineup na speakers. Okay? So, I also launched my Raster TV. Yan. So, running na tayo 8 p.m. Live tayo sa YouTube channel ko and sa aking FB page. Okay? And I also have my Great Life. Sinimulan natin, of course. And naglagay din tayo ng pera doon. And Dr. Spin, partnership namin ni Ma'am Joyce. Di pa ba? Kasi nandun po yung business ko. So, yun yung mga, and other things like, I wrote a book. So, of course, I need to finance the publishing. Medyo mahal ang pagpapublish. Medyo mahal. So, something like that. So, ito yung mga businesses ko. So, what I did, tingin ko, dahil nawalan tayo ng source of income na steady. Kasi before yon, as you know, I'm a full-time principal. So, meron tayong monthly na income. Tapos, nag-expect tayo na magkakaroon tayo ng income sa pamamagitan nung, yon yung mga binanggit ko kanina. So, it did not happen. So, actually, so that means I need to replace 3 sources of income. So, that's why I launched new things. So, namili ako, pag nag-invest ako, I'll be earning like, how much? The most, mga 14% per annum. That's per annum. Okay? So, that will not be enough. Kasi alam nyo, ang investment para sa akin yan, matagal talaga yan long term. And it's not for, hindi ko siya actually in-encourage dun sa mga nag-start. Mas maganda mag-start ka na mag-business then mag-invest ka. So, well, kanya-kanya tayo ng rule, pero for me, I see, that's how I see investment. Kasi long-term talaga yan. And if you want to build your wealth talaga, work on business. Work more on business if you want to build your wealth. And if you want to build your wealth naman ng pangmatagalan, or tinitin mo siya ng 10 years, pa 10, 20 years yan. So, you go to such investment. Okay? So, I chose to finance all these things, all these businesses with me, right? So, ngayon, running sila. Say, I need, doon ako namili eh. So, sa buhay, marami tayong mga choices. Mamimili ka talaga, di ba? So, A ba o B? Okay? Sabi nga ni Robert Frost, di ba? Robert Frost, the road not taken. So, yung kung siguro if I were you o yung iba, pipiliin na lang mag-invest na lang ako, Doc. Anyway, may income naman tayo, may passive income naman tayo, semi-passive income na actually na-build through the years. So, salamat sa mga nagbibigay sa atin ng semi-passive income, IMG, YouTube channel, and all that, di ba? Salamat. Doc Gigi's Clothing Trading, yan nagbibigay sa atin ng income. Okay? So, I chose this business. So, isang tabi ko muna yung iba nating investment. Okay? Except for IMG. So, ito muna tayo ngayon. So, ngayon, I'm working on this. Kasi marami ding expenses like production team ng Rockstar Skills University. I have my marketing team. I have my, my staff for me working so hard for me. Iba din na natutulog. So, I need to pay people also. So, that's it. Okay? So, ano yung lesson natin ngayon? So, like, ito, I mentioned it para if there are cases in your life na parang gusto mo, stop mo what you are doing kasi parang may urgent or what, it's okay. It's okay to break your own rules. It's okay to do something na parang hindi popular sa iba. Diba? Yung kape natin lalamig. Kasi parang sa iba hindi popular eh. Hindi popular yung ganon. Sabi na ng iba nating mga kaibigan, Doc, ang dami mo namang nilaunch. Diba? It's not a popular move to everyone. Meron pa tayong digital marketing solutions pala. And even nando kasi mga business natin. May Blackstar Homes pa tayo. So, for me, that's my strategy. Okay? That's my strategy. Pero if you are just new in business, so tama naman yun, mag-focus ka sa 1 or 2. Okay? Ito kasi may mga partners naman ako. I'm not doing all these things. Ano lang ako dyan, parang yung iba, like yung sa Dr. Spin, Ma'am Joyce is doing all the details of that. Thank you, Ma'am Joyce. So sa atin, ano lang kami, meron lang kaming sometimes once a week na meeting, 1 hour lang naman yon. So, like that. Okay? So, try to evaluate what you are doing right now. Alin dyan yung naisip mo na kailangan baguhin mo, stop mo, anong rules sa buhay mo dapat mo i-break. Okay? Break that rule. Okay? So, stop doing that, and if you feel like you want to start something, just do it. Okay? So, ako, I stop my investment para sa negosyo ko. Okay? So, kung gusto mo magpa-coach, sa lahat ng gusto mong magpa-coach sa atin, Doc, I want to start this and all that. So, message lang kayo sa akin. I can be your coach, I can be your mentor. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago tumula dating buhay. Thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah? Let's go, let's go.